really annoying snow here today. Weathermen couldn't make up their mind on quantity and whatever else. So I didn't end up plowing at all throughout the storm because they were talking maybe 7 inches or so, and we're stuck. So that doesn't warrant, I'm stuck in the middle of a flat driveway. That doesn't warrant me making multiple passes, 7 inches of snow. Well, as it turns out, in the end, we got about 15. Some of it's melted down a tiny bit now, but the first 4 or so that we got ended up freezing almost like concrete. While it snowed during the day and then it quit. So I'm like, all right, great. Hey, that's all we're gonna get. Well, overnight, a bunch more had come. So the stuff that first came froze like concrete, and then it got more snow on it. So now, you can't push it with a snowplow. I have a big 8-foot Western plow that I converted to put on the skid steer to push snow, and that will just ride right on top of that 4 inches of snow, and it won't push it. So I have to use the skid steer with down pressure. But the fun part about that is that the lawn and the driveway are not frozen underneath. So I am scraping all kinds of everything into the lawn, chunks of the lawn, the driveway. It's going to be absolutely miserable nightmare to clean up in the spring. But this is the only way that I can move this snow. If you don't put down pressure on it, you don't plow the bottom layer, there's a fine line between too much down pressure and you can't really balance it. So this has just been, yep, right there, we just ended up right on top of the snow. I don't know if you guys can see that spot there, how it just rode up. Now we got to go back in, but the lawn is over here. A normal snowstorm, it'll take me about a day or so to clean all the snow around the house and the farm. I've been at this 2 days and I have not done yet. So it's been lots of fun. I thought I'd share with you guys. And yesterday while I was plowing, I hit the extension cord that we had running to the electric fence for the pigs. So I got to spend a few hours. We had to lock them in their huts last night, so they couldn't get out. And I had to spend a few hours this morning fixing that mistake. So they are out again. Fun times. And we have a lot of winter left to go yet. Oh, there, we just dug in the driveway. to come visit me in the spring and help me clean up my mess. Any takers? I'm surprised I've had some chunks come down and hit the glass. I'm surprised I haven't cracked it. This much snow, I would have had the snow blower on the big tractor, but now everything's frozen and hard to get to. I'm definitely going to put it on in the future here, but for today we're just trying to get stuff opened up. Uphill and you almost can't. Now see, I dug into the driveway there. I'll end this video because I think everybody's probably tired of hearing me complain. I really hate snow. I don't make any money from it. All it does is cost me money. Several projects I wanted to do over the winter. I guess we've been kind of spoiled the last few winters. We haven't had tons of snow, so you could go outside and work on projects. I had some trees I wanted to cut down, some field edges to clean up. But now there's so much snow that get around anymore without plowing, and I'm not plowing all the way around a bunch of field edges. So there, yeah, fun. All right, I'll end this video. If anybody's even still watching at this point from all my complaining, if you are, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. A lot of great content coming up on the channel besides me griping about snow plowing, so I hope you'll stay tuned. Thank you for taking the time today to watch the video, even if you didn't make it all the way through. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you to any new subscriber that's come along. I appreciate that as well.